Begin this practice lying flat on our backs, hugging both knees in close towards your chest. If you need to, you can have a little space in between your knees. Gently placing both feet down onto the mat. Go ahead and hug right knee into your chest. And start with some very gentle movement in the toes. Pointing, flexing the toes, scrunching your toes, spreading them out wide, circling at the ankle. Super organic movement to wake up your feet, your toes, your ankles. Grab onto the back of the right thigh. And start to bend and straighten the right knee. Stretching the leg up high towards the ceiling. Place a little gentle bend in the knee to draw your heel back closer to your glutes. And try not to lock your knee joint as you straighten the leg. It's gentle movement just to warm up the joint. The right leg straight, start to walk your hands up the back of the right leg, coming up to a crunch. Tighten up your core. Feel the work in your abs. Head and shoulders lift up off the mat. Exhale to slowly walk your hands back down your legs, bringing head and shoulders back down towards the mat. Cross your right ankle over your left knee, making a figure 4 shape in your legs. Resting one palm on your lower belly, other palm can rest on your inner knee. Just feeling the stretch in the outside of your right hip. And pause here for a moment, taking a few breaths. Legs stay the same, just twist towards the left, so letting the outside of the left leg fall towards the floor. Right ankle will stay crossed over left knee. Feeling the stretch in your back as you take a deeper hip stretch here. Arms can be wherever they'd like. Gently roll back to your back. Uncrossing your ankle, both feet back down onto the mat. Walking your heels in closer to your glutes, press into your feet to lift your hips up and away from the mat, bridge pose. Stretching out the front side of the body. Exhale, gently bring your hips back down. Press into the feet to lift your hips up high towards the ceiling. Exhale, gently lower full length of your spine back down towards the mat. Last time, press down to lift up, stretch up, reach up. And exhale, slowly lower down. Press both palms into your thighs to press your thighs away from you and feel your backside, lower back, flatten out, melt into the mat. Counter pose for bridge. Hugging both knees into your chest. Take a breath. When you're ready, bring both feet back down towards the mat. We'll repeat our sequence on our left side. Hugging your left knee into your chest. You can grab for the front of the shin if that feels okay. And take a few rounds of pointing and flexing of the left toes, circling out the left ankle. Scrunch the left toes, make a fist with your feet, and then spread them out wide. Any organic movement in that left foot. And grab onto the back of the left thigh as you extend that leg towards the ceiling and take a few rounds of bending and straightening the leg. Working into your left knee joint, gently, gently. Keep the left leg straight as you tighten up your core. Start to walk your hands up the back of the left leg, coming up for a crunch. Head and shoulders will lift up off the mat. Keep your core, keep your belly, keep your abs tight. But breathe. On your exhale, slowly bring head and shoulders back down towards the mat. Cross your left ankle over your right knee. Pause here for a moment, resting with legs in figure 4. Feeling the deeper stretch on the outside of your left hip. The legs stay the same, just let them fall over towards the right. Outside of the right leg will rest on the floor. Left knee points up towards the ceiling. Arms can go wherever they'd like. Sometimes it feels nice to stretch them up and above your head. Bringing your legs back to center. Exhale to lower your arms down by your sides if they're above your head. Uncrossing at the ankles. Walking your heels in closer to your glutes for dynamic bridge setup. When you're ready, press into your feet, lift your hips up and away. Exhale, gently lowering your glutes back down towards the mat. 2 more times like this. Feet press down to lift everything up and away from the mat. Hips lift, chest lifts, chin tucks into chest. Exhale, gently lower everything back down. Last round, press into your feet to lift up, stretch up. And exhale, slowly bring your hips back down to the mat. Press your palms into your thighs to press your thighs away from you. Feeling the low back melt into the mat. Exhale, hug your knees into your chest. And any last movement to close out your practice. This is where we'll finish for the day. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me.